Review of Bousnic Dog Shock Collar, 3300 for feet. Training collar with remote. When it comes to training dogs, especially those that range from small to large breeds, finding a versatile and effective training tool is essential. Bousnic Dog Shock Collar claims to be such a tool, boasting a substantial range of up to 3,300 feet and catering to dogs weighing between 5 to 120 pounds. This detailed review will explore the features, effectiveness, and overall value of this training collar, aiming to provide a balanced perspective for potential buyers. Design and build quality. The collar comes in an appealing blue color, which is not only stylish, but also quite visible from a distance. This can be particularly useful in outdoor settings. The collar's material feels durable and is designed to be waterproof, making it suitable for use in various weather conditions. This is particularly advantageous for active dogs who may not shy away from water. The remote control is ergonomic and appears to be made of quality materials that should withstand regular use. Features and usability. One of the standout features of this collar is its range of training modes. It includes a standard beep mode, a vibration mode with 16 different levels, and a shock mode that can be adjusted across 99 levels of intensity. This range allows for very fine-tuned training based on the sensitivity and response of the dog. The ability to recharge the collar and remote is a significant plus, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. However, it's essential to highlight the use of the shock feature. While it offers a wide range of intensities, from very mild to strong, the use of such features can be controversial. It is crucial that they are used responsibly and ideally under the guidance of a professional dog trainer, as misuse can lead to negative outcomes for both the dog's behavior and its relationship with the handler. Performance. The long range of 3,300 feet is impressive and allows for off-leash training in expansive areas. This feature is particularly useful for training commands like recall in parks or rural settings. Users report that the connection between the collar and remote is stable and reliable, which is critical for effective training sessions. Battery life and maintenance. The rechargeable nature of both the collar and remote is a major benefit, with the devices reportedly holding a charge for several days of active training. This is convenient and environmentally friendly. Maintenance seems straightforward, with the collar's waterproof design allowing for easy cleaning without damage. Price and value. Priced competitively, the Bousnic Dog Shock Collar offers a good balance between features and cost. When compared to other high-end models, it provides a viable option for dog owners who need a reliable, multifunctional training tool without breaking the bank. Conclusion: the Bousnic Dog Shock Collar is a comprehensive training tool that promises adaptability and durability for dog owners. While its shock features should be used with caution and understanding, the overall functionality and design of the collar make it a worthy consideration for those in the market for a dog training collar. Its suitability for a wide range of dog sizes and its robust feature set should meet the needs of most pet owners looking for effective obedience training aids.